Alright, today's the day. Going to get it legal. The Model 3 rebuild number 2 is pretty much complete. Need to get my state inspection done. Hopefully they don't give me any trouble about this rear quarter panel ding. I'm going to explain to them, like, I really need to get it legal so I can bring it to get it fixed a lot easier than having to tow it on a trailer. I mean, it's more of a cosmetic thing right now and not a functionality. But that's literally all I have left. You know, because she's finished. Take a quick peek. Trunk's all lined out. Got a bunch of stuff. Got the charger in there. Interior's all finished. Everything's all cleaned up. Front there. That's all good. I mean, I could probably still do a little adjusting on the bumper. I got to replace this little tab right here. Other than that, I mean, it's a little bit of paint mark right there. I'm probably going to see if they can fix that for me. I used a little touch-up direct spray paint, and you can see. So I filled in the actual scratches, but I got a little bit of overspray over it. So I guess maybe I just need to buff that off. That way this comes back, and then it's just kind of filled in on the touch-up, and that's fine, you know. And then I still do have these little ripples right here from getting that liner, fender liner off when it the inner wheel well, because it's a pain to get that on there. But for the most part, hey, it's a used car. That little stuff superficial. Got little ripples right here from trying to remove that glue. You can actually see my touch-up paint over where the rivets are on the rear and on the driver. You can see the blend right there. There's the welds. I went a little too far. Maybe if I was pretty close, they would only had a little bit right here, but I went ahead and made a paint line. And it matches pretty good. It's just a stark difference when you got an edge like that. But unless you stare at it, you probably wouldn't even notice it, you know. And then of course, because I replaced the side panel, the VIN labels, not this. I can't leave the old VIN label on there. Hopefully they don't say anything about that, but I'm gonna be perfectly honest with them. Why would I leave a VIN label on the car that's not the car? That would be more wrong than anything. So I have it on the placard, which is the cutoff piece from the old car, and I took this label, put above it, wrote donor on it, so that they know that I have both labels. It's in the car. I mean, you still got the VIN tag on the front and the VIN on the computer, so that's proof enough. But hey, let's go get this thing legal.